Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zoho CRM mobile app for pipeline updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Zoho CRM mobile app for pipeline updates, start by unlocking your mobile device. Locate the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Zoho CRM. Press the search icon to initiate the search. Once the results appear, look for the Zoho CRM app. Check that the app is developed by Zoho Corporation. Tap on the app to open its details page. Review the app description and check the ratings for confirmation. To download the app, locate the Install or Get button. Tap the button to start the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the Zoho CRM app. If prompted, sign in using your Zoho CRM credentials. If you don't have an account, you can sign up directly through the app. After logging in, navigate to the pipeline section to start updating. Familiarize yourself with the layout for easier navigation. You are now ready to manage your pipeline updates on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.